everyone, my name is J. Francis B. Lagatik, grade 4 Tritines. I am representing project in science is about the muscular system. How the muscular system works. The muscular system in a movement, posture, and bodily function group 3 types: muscle, skeletal, cardiac, and smooth. Skeletal muscles, voluntary, function, control body, movement, leg, walking, lifting, and maintain posture. Control, operate the conscious commands from the nervous system. Structure or composed of muscle fibers, bodied into fascials, sarcomeres, in contractile units use actin and mucin filaments to during contraction. Flame theory. Energy require ATP from cellular respiration, aerobic, anaerobic. The muscle involuntary function powers heart contracts to circulate blood. Control circulate by pacemaker cells not with input from the autonomic nervous. Structure. Branch cells connected by intercalated disc for journeys, contractions, resultant to fatigue the abdomen into smooth muscles. Involuntary function regulate internal organs like digestion, blood flow, control movement by the autonomic nervous system, and harmony. Structure. Spine-shaped cells without interaction contract slowly but sustain tension longer. Urine contraction during childbirth. K process. Contraction stretched by calcium. Lungs bend to troponin. Skeletal cart or calmodulin smooth. Correlation occurs when calcium is pumped back into storage dish. Include strength overload, skeletal muscle, greatness, or LBS smooth muscle detraction function. Spine-shaped cells without stretch or contract slowly but sustain tension longer. Urine contraction during childbirth. K process. Contraction tired by calcium. Lungs bending to troponin. Skeletal card or conmolding smooth. Include destruction of peroxide, skeletal muscles, means cardiac or LBS smooth. Muscle diffraction. This system works stages strictly with the skeletal, nervous, and circulatory system to maintain homeostasis.